mates, so you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now the style we're going to create today is quite easy, so I'm just going to explain a few things, but watching the video is quite self-explanatory. So the first thing you're going to do is to create your basic princess darts. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description box of how I make my princess darts. After making your princess darts pattern, the cloth has a V-neckline, so you make indication for the V-neckline. And also this blouse has a zipper in the front, so you need to make provision for the zip allowance. So after doing that, what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to create the keyhole, shape that you find above the bust. So that's what I'm trying to create now. After creating that, I'm going to tighten the above bust like you see now. I'm going to tighten that above bust by 1 inch, so it tightens. It doesn't poke out by the time I'm done sewing, so the bust relaxes on my above bust. So I'm tightening it by 1 inch so it relaxes in my above bust. So the next thing you do is you just cut out. Like I said, it's a very simple style, so it's something you can do on your own. Once you know how to create a princess darts pattern, the rest is very easy peasy because you're just manipulating on the princess darts pattern. So for the back, technically you just create the back princess darts pattern. There is nothing to do at the back, and just cut it out. The back doesn't have any zip. The zip is in the front, so you don't have to put zip in the back. So that's all for this style. Very simple and very easy. If you have any question or you need any clarification on any of the steps, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading your comments. Okay, so what I discovered while sewing this clothes was that there was actually a different and easier method of getting the same results, which is what I'm going to do in one of my upcoming videos. I'm going to recreate this style using that method, so it will now leave you with 2 different options. You will now choose the one that is more convenient for you, because most times as tailors you find out that doing style analysis, what you presume to be the way of cutting the dress would be different while sewing. Alright, I hope you loved this video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.